Today how to promote your Facebook page, or how to promote your Facebook business page, or how to promote your Facebook video, or how to get a Facebook like. Okay, go to your Facebook page, that page you want to promote. So I'm here. So if you want to promote your Facebook page, you can click here on your Facebook page, or if you want to promote your specific any video or any article, you can click on promote option. Also you can click from settings. I'm just gonna go to the very easy one to promote. Click here. So now you need to know what you want to promote. If you want to promote like any post, any video, and you want to get more involvement audience, then you can click here. Or if you want to get more page like, then you can promote your page. Or if it's the business, you want to get a promote on your business website for more visitor, you can click here. Or if you want to get more viewer for your Facebook video, then you can click here. Okay, also you can promote your local business. So I'm just gonna go to the most common one, which is get Facebook page like. So click here. Alright guys, now you have to choose image if you want to choose any image for your ad. So okay, or you can get a single image, you can browse a image, or you can get a free image from Facebook. There's a lot of image from Facebook. I would like to get, or you can get from your account image from Facebook, or page image. So this is the one option. And also there's option you can upload a video. I would like to upload a video. Why you want to upload a video? Because people know what you want to say. If you have any message for people, if you have any message for audience, or if you want to do any advice, for example, if it's any advice video or anything you want to sell, you can upload a video. So you can upload a video from your computer here, or if you want to upload a browser video from your Facebook. Yeah, so I have a page video. I want to promote this video as well as get a like. So I'll click page video. I'll choose this one and then continue. So okay, it will be uploaded in a minute. So see, this is the page. It will show on the Facebook ad. And now you can write a text message. What would you like to text? For example, I just want to write, are you looking property in UV? So this is my message. Are you looking property in UV? Okay, this is not a real ad. I'm just making for you guys self. I'm not enough. Okay, and now you can choose a country, which country you want to promote your ad or your page, which country you get a like from. Okay, first you need to choose the gender. So I'll choose all, age, and this. One thing to remember, if you choose rich country, if you want to get a like, more like from rich country, you'll have to pay more money. If you choose less rich country, and then you pay less money. For example, if you choose UE, Europe, I'll choose whole Europe. Or if you want to like promote only the one city like London, you can do so. Yeah, so you can change in the durations. Okay, yeah, and but I want to choose country like whole Europe. Or if you want to get it just for, if you want to get it just like, so you can also choose African country. So you pay very less money, because Ghana, I think Ghana per like maybe 1 pence or 2 pence. If you choose a European country, probably you have to pay 60-70 pence per like, or 60-70 pence per click on your website. So more you choose a rich country, you have to pay more money for like or page engage or promote your video or promote your website, anything. Okay, so if you just need a like, you can choose like somewhere in the African country, so you'll pay very less money. And then save. You can choose multi countries, like 100 countries if you want. So now it will say run ad constantly. I'm just gonna give a specific date, choose when this ad will end. So duration 7 days, sorry, 7 days, and then it will end 23rd of May 2020. So how much is your daily budget? £1. So this is £1 my daily budget, and then you have to sign in. If you want to pay by card, you can it will ask your account details. If you want to pay by PayPal is easy. You can just log in on PayPal, and they won't charge you. They charge you later on, like after 7 days. So it will be 7 days for £7. They will charge you once ad is finished, 23rd. Then they will charge you automatically from PayPal account. And now click your promote, and then Facebook will review your ad maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then they will it's a normal procedure. Just review the ad, make sure you're not selling any illegal things or any bad behavior or any things, and then they will automatically start promoting your ad. Okay, but they will text you before they promoting that. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe me if you like this video. You can give a thumbs up and write a comment if you have anything to say. Thank you, guys.